Hello, sir, ma'am. Have a good day. I am Ansi David from Philippines, 37 years old. I am high school graduate. My mother and father, they are vegetable vendor. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am high school graduate. My previous work are, I'm working before a restaurant as a service crew. I worked for 4 years. And 1 year for international wiring system. I am working before at Amar Jordan. They are Christian family. I finished my contract for 2 years, 2015 and 2017. 2 daughter and mom and sir. They are all adults. My second employer, Arab country, United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. 60 years old, sir and mom. They had three children, 21 years old, 26 years old, and 34 years old. They are all adults. I finished my contract 2018 to 2024 for 6 years. My main duties are cooking, laundry, ironing the clothes, cleaning the whole house, car washing, wiping and vacuuming the washing carpet. Please, sir, ma'am, hire me as your helper. I will promise that I will take care your whole house and your children, especially the young one. I am honest, flexible, and fast learner. I will promise that I will serve your family properly, do my duties as your helper, and I will serve them properly with respect. Thank you and see you soon, ma'am and sir.